All right, guys. As you've seen for our videos, we went up to what is it? We went up to the Whittington Center and shot Rocky Mountain 3-gun match. One of the things I learned there is one, I'm getting old. My vision sucks, and two, I need to be able to shoot my pistol better because that was one of the weakest parts of my stages of the pistols. So as part of that, I won what would you call that, Wendell? I got a prize for participating, and they gave me an XS sights. SX sights?
Yeah, XS sights.
And we're going to go through the opening of that right here. So they sent me this for free, which I really appreciate. It helps the old budget. And this is what comes in it. We get the rear sight here, and I like it because it has that, what is it?
It's a tritium insert. It's like an eye. It's just a bar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the rear sight.
And then it has this really cool front sight.
And you got the green dot.
Green dot.
Front sight.
With tritium.
With the tritium. And what's cool is it's like you're just dotting the eye.
Mm-hmm.
So put the dot on there with the bar underneath it and shoot it.
So we're going to show you what we're going to put. So this is what we got here. We got the regular Glock rear.
Got the factory rear.
And then we got this $10 fiber optic thing.
Yep.
So we're going to say it's clear. And then, so the Glocks are pretty easy to break down. You pop the trigger, you pull back a little tiny bit. And you pull it off, and then you pull that out. The front sight is right there. See the little nut right there?
Yep.
So that's where we go. And then so we got the tool here.
Yep.
And then I think you just go like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there's the front sight off. The reason I like this sight is because Wendell has, you have one, right? On your.
Yep.
So there's the front sight off.
Yep.
And then you just get the new one, right? Do we have to put Loctite on it or anything?
I would. And they ship. That's why they include
Loctite.
Loctite.
That's in there. Let's see. Their little story. Bag. Oh, gun oil and Loctite.
Oh, you got swag. You got a sticker.
And it's new. See the old sticker?
Yeah.
Mine's new.
I guess my old one. Yeah, well, it still works.
So we just rip that open, huh?
Let's move all this out of the way so we get some working.
That's a lot of Loctite.
Probably the smallest package they could get.
Yep. So this is pretty easy, right? You just gotta.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know when it's straight, though?
You don't have to worry about straight with a Glock.
Oh, yeah, because look at the hole in there.
Mm-hmm. It's like you're either going to put it on facing forward or facing backwards.
Yeah, see, if you look in here, see right there?
It's an elongated hole.
And then the hole there, so they fit in. Perfect. Oh, that's a tight fit, too.
Yep.
Damn.
Yeah, if you don't see a dot when you're looking forward, you put it on backwards.
Yeah, that's a good point. Now, they told us in automotive school, when you work on this, you always put it on the threads. You don't put it in the hole on this stuff, right? Like that.
Now the fun part.
What's that? Getting it to line up?
Getting the threads to start.
Is this magnetic or anything?
No.
Shit. No, it's not. bitch.
I don't know if you remember all the fun I had with the PSA dagger. Putting the night sights on it. Oh, it was fun.
Yeah, let's see what we got here.
You're gonna have to try to get it started in there with your finger. Yep.
And it is magnetic. Where's the Oh, you bitch. Dude.
You want me to go get the needle nose pliers?
Sure. No, let's try this one more time.
You might just put your finger on it and try turning it a little bit before you put the screwdriver on it. Now it's stuck on the driver.
Oh no. All right. Oh, it keeps picking up. Where's the needle nose at? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. Oh, you bitch. Oh, how about we go like this? How's that work for you? Yeah, there you go. That's the technique. Start it on the outside, spin it in. Did you see that?
I saw that.
That's 18 inch-pounds. Did you feel that?
Yep. Yeah, but see on the Glock screw, see how short it is? It won't work on the Glock screw.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now we get the rear out.
Yep.
You just said he'd hit it?
Hang it off the... Here.
Hang it off like that?
Yep.
It moved. It's a moving.
Mm-hmm.
We need to get a transfer punch. You got a punch?
Yep. Hang on, guys. We'll be right back. We're going to get a punch. Alright. Cody wouldn't... He's going to try this with a punch.
Let's see if we can get it to hold.
Here.
There we go. Oh, we're never using that sight again, that's for sure.
Yeah. Cheap plastic Glock sight.
Helping kill bad guys for years.
Yeah.
So now... Oh, there's screws in there.
Mm-hmm. That's why they sent you the key. See the key?
So how do you know if it's centered?
Eyeball it.
Guess we could measure it.
Got 2 little set screws.
3?
2. One on each side. That's it.
So I guess you just go shoot it, and if it doesn't...
If you don't like it, drift it. Loosen them. Keep your keep the key handy.
Yeah.
So.
Damn, that's a lot of Loctite for...
Yep. For only one drop. Less than one drop.
We'll have to shoot and see how it shoots, and then we can adjust it.
So there it is, along with the Punisher backplate. With that big green front sight. So, hey Cody, you can put your gun back together. I've had a set of these on 1911 for a long time, and I really do like them. So, well, there's my 1911 sights.
Oh, they gave us some Lucas gun oil too.
So, oh, there you go, free sampling, Lucas.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it.
Hey, I don't know. I use Liberal Tears, and it seems to work real well.
Yep. So
now we'll drop that in.
And you have a cool new sticker.
Yeah. I had to, when I was shooting this up there, I had to get that screw and put Loctite on it because it kept wanting to come out. Let's see. Doesn't look straight. It looks like a little. We got to go shoot it and see how it shoots. We'll adjust it.
Well, that green really glows, man.
Yeah, let's see. And it, so then it has a light, a night sight on the rear and a night sight on the front.
You want to see what it looks like in the dark? I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but we can try it.
Oh shit! Does it see it? Yeah, it's good.
You got the post? All right, I got mine right here. If you can see that on the camera.
Yeah.
I've got the rear post and the rear and the dot on the front.
This one looks good. Bang bang goes the bad guy. Now how do we turn the light back on?
Well, that's easy. Flip the switch on the.
Man, that post and that sight stand up real well at night.
Yep.
So let me just say, thank you, XS Sights, for the new sights.
Yep.
These are complimentary.
XS sights and the cool sticker.
And what is this? Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah, well, that was pretty easy. So this was my big prize from the 3-gun.
3-gun. Yep.
And they have different kinds for like suppressors, all that fun shit stuff too. So alrighty.
Well, originally I tried them because I bought a pair of ordnance. This is a pre-Remington pair of ordnance years ago, and it came with the small dovetail on the back. And one of the only options I could find to put night sights on here was XS. So I tried them on this, and I really have liked them a lot. So
this is the original then?
Yeah. No. These are, the front and back is this XS.
No, the original dot they came up with.
Yeah, it's the big white front dot. So, all right.
And just that easy, you can change these out.
Yeah, Glock's not hard. So.
Alrighty, guys. Tell us what you think about that. Like and subscribe. What'd you say?
Yep. Don't forget to check out the t-shirt shop.
Alrighty. So if you like that video, go ahead and like and subscribe. The link to our t-shirts is going to be in the subscription. Check out our online merch store. Help us fund the next build.
Yeah.
And then, should we give them like a little sneak peek of what you've been working on? Or we can.
If you want to.
He's been. Oh yeah, he's doing the NRL Hunter stuff.
Yeah.
So, well, yeah, we'll just do another video for that. So, anyways, thank you guys. If you got this far, we appreciate it. Thank you.